Hey guys, I just want to update everyone with what's going on here. So I I told you that we were in a pennant formation, and I knew this early on because when I mapped this out, and I'll put a link up to that video now where I showed how I created this chart. But because we were finding our resistance on this ring, and because this line in the center pitchfork was such strong support, this is also where it capitulated and connects the two bear markets. You can see more about that in that link I put up top. But I noticed a lot of people in different channels, they thought we were in a falling wedge. Some people thought we were in a flag formation. Some people had no idea what the hell formation we're in. So not only do these rings and pitchforks help you find pivot points, bottoms, and tops, they actually help you map out what formation you're in early on before other people have any idea what formation we're in. So you can see, yeah, this was our support. This ring is our resistance, and on the BTC shareable chart. So what I did was, like I said, if we fell through this this point right here at 9,500, it's possible we could tank and go down much lower. So what I did was I waited till we came down, made sure we didn't start tanking. When we came up and hit this line here and went above it, I bought in here and set my stop loss below this pitchfork, this green pitchfork line right here. So you got to be careful because they're going to try to come down and wick you and stop you out, because they know people have their stop losses, a tight stop loss set, so they'll come down, they'll wick you out. So the best thing to do, because you have to be willing to lose a little money to stay in. So I have my stop loss now set below this green pitchfork line right here, and I'm currently in riding it up. As soon as we come up and find the support on top of this green pitchfork line, I'm going to raise my stop loss below this green pitchfork line. As soon as we come up and find support on this one, I'm going to raise my stop loss. So basically every time we find support on a pitchfork line, one of these green ones, I set my stop loss below the next pitchfork line below, and do that all the way up until we get to this blue ring up here, where I expect us to hit that and then start coming back down. So I was just telling you the safe way I play this to stay in. If you are bullish and you think we can go higher, I mean, I'm bearish. I think that when we hit this ring, we're going to start coming back down, and I think that this yellow ring is going to be a breakout point. It's either going to break to the upside or the downside. To me, I'm bearish. I think this is going to be breaking to the downside. But it doesn't mean you have to sell. If you want to stay in, just have your stop loss set a little below, and then, hey, see if we go up past. If we do, and you are bullish, I just want to let you know your next target above, if we break out here, your next target above is 14,900. And if we break to the downside, your next target is 6,667. But also keep in mind that, and I told you in that previous video, that a lot of people are going to be buying around 8,000 and 8,500. So keep that in mind, that people will be buying around this general area out here, and that will push us up. But remember, this line, this holding is strong support now, will become strong resistance. So I think when that happens, people buy around 8,000, 8,500. It's going to push us up. We're going to hit this point, and then we're going to come back down, and we're going to start testing these new lows. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to keep everybody updated. Let's just ride this up, take a profit, and then come back down. Not financial advice. Again, these are just my opinions and views of the market, where I think it's going. If you would like access to my charts, it's a one-time $20 donation. That information is in the description, along with my email if you want to contact me. These are shareable charts. That means you can watch them play out live on a desktop and a mobile device. You do not need a TradingView account to view them. If you do have a TradingView account is free to set up. If you just click the copy icon at the top right, you can save my charts as you're on. That means you can open them up, edit them, you can change them, break them apart, see how I set it up. You can change the time frame, the time zone, pretty much do whatever you want, because it'll be your chart. But yeah, that information is in the description, and again, my email is there as well. If you want to keep updated with anything I find, if I don't have time to put a video up, check out my community section. A link for that will be pinned in the top comment and in the description. But that's it for today. Until the next video.